Welcome to the captivating world of grounds maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll explore the diverse roles of grounds maintenance workers, their tasks, and the impact they have on our everyday surroundings. We'll be shedding light on different professions within this field, sharing an illustrative example, and providing resources for further learning. We'll also briefly touch on the certifications required in this line of work. Stick around to find out how these unsung heroes keep our exterior spaces not just visually appealing, but also thriving and valuable. Let's dive right into the world of grounds maintenance. But first, what is grounds maintenance? Well, it's all about keeping a facility's outdoor areas neat and presentable. It involves landscaping, mowing, pruning, and even working on indoor areas like potted plants and indoor gardens. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Regular grounds maintenance can actually preserve property value. For instance, did you know that attractive arrangements of trees at commercial properties can improve rental rates by 7%? Grounds maintenance workers also keep things like sprinkler systems, gates, and equipment in working order. It's a job that requires a variety of skills and tasks. Now let's talk about the different types of grounds maintenance workers. First, we have groundskeepers who handle general maintenance, including mowing grass, trimming hedges, aerating soil, raking leaves, and removing snow. They also help maintain groundskeeping equipment, fences, walkways, and parking areas. Next, we have landscaping workers who plant trees, flowers, hedges, and grass, maintain greenery, and design outdoor areas to improve aesthetic appeal. They may also maintain sprinkler systems and lighting on a facility's grounds. Then there are pesticide handlers who apply chemical treatments to eradicate pests, weeds, and diseases. They inspect the grounds for potential problems and apply treatments as needed. Finally, we have arborists who specialize in the care and maintenance of trees specifically. They prune and apply treatments to trees to prevent diseases and promote arboreal health. Some arborists specialize in shaping trees to visually appealing shapes, while others focus on maintaining their plants' health. Let's look at an example of grounds maintenance. Imagine a downtown shopping mall that maintains both outdoor and indoor greenery, including trees, hedges, grass, and shrubbery. One summer, a neglected area of their grounds sees an intrusion of weeds, depriving flowers and shrubs of the nutrients they need. The grounds crew has to pull the weeds, aerate the soil, and replant an entire plot of shrubbery to correct the problem. This example shows the importance of regular inspection to streamline the high costs of grounds maintenance. Grounds maintenance is crucial in various locations: apartment complexes, athletic fields, malls and shopping centers, golf courses, cemeteries, and schools all benefit from consistent grounds upkeep. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of certifications and training do grounds maintenance workers need? Well, little to no formal training is needed to qualify as a worker. However, those who apply pesticides are often required to have certain licensing by state laws. There are also certification programs offered by professional organizations for grounds maintenance workers. These include the Certified Grounds Technician and the Certified Grounds Manager, both offered by the Professional Grounds Management Society. And if you're looking for more information on grounds maintenance, check out the American Public Gardens Association and facilitiesnet.com. They publish numerous articles, webinars, and presentations centered on landscaping and maintenance of public gardens and grounds management from a facilities management perspective. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the world of grounds maintenance. It's a field that requires a variety of skills and tasks, but it's crucial in maintaining the beauty and value of our outdoor spaces. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the roles of grounds maintenance workers, their tasks, and the impact they have on our surroundings. We've also discussed the importance of regular inspection and the various certifications available. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. For more information about UpKeep and our mission to support maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.